Man, this a Waakye, man. Mamma mia. Okoro. Peche. There's one thing that I can't miss it. This is the kanzo. Wow. See the shit. The black pepper. Man. So watch it 5 cities, fish 5 cities, and we look for macaroni, gari, and a salad. Mamma mia. Okoro. Amen. That's fine. Wow. You chop, you go eat. Okay. Let me say something. You kanzu under. Man, there's one thing that I can't miss it. This is the kanzu. Wow. Man, this is kanzo. The under. The under. So basically, our Waakye is look brownish because you add bicarbonate, okay? Or some people also add the leaves, the sorghum leaves, so that changes the color of the beans and the rice to brown. That's how our Waakye looks brown, like this dark brown.